Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Pictory AI for YouTube video. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course go to Pictory.ai and make sure to sign in into your account. So just simply click on login over here. And now from here, just simply click on script to video. And now from here, just simply enter your video name. So let's say I'm gonna go for beginner camping tips and tricks. And now from here, you can just start using a script. So guys, you can use ChatGPT to make a script. So just go make a prompt and now click on here. And now from here, just simply go ahead and copy the script over here. Now for that, just simply go to Pictory AI and paste it over here. And now just simply click on proceed over here at the top right. Now from here guys, as you can see, you should be able to have your script over here. And as you can see, each one will be having a video. And as you can see, when we play on it, you should be able to see the sample. When you want to change the video, you can just simply go ahead and go over here, visuals on the left side of the screen. And from here guys, you can actually change the visual that you want. As you can see, you can just simply click on over here, search similar. And after that, you should be able to have here multiple options to choose from. And you can just simply go ahead and click on a specific video that you want to replace it with. And now on the left side, you can change the audio as well. And you can change the style. You can add a text. And you can also add some elements over here. And guys, if you want to change the text or the subtitle, you can just simply go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, you will have here multiple options to change your text. And now guys, once you are done, you can just simply go ahead and click on download over here. And guys, you can go for format as well, where you can change it by 16 by 9 or 9 by 16, which is for shorts. And you can change the resolution as well. And there you go. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.